Hi everyone, I'm Vince. Today I'm introducing Capdase's latest product, Xplorer Weatherproof case Pebbo for iPhone 4 and iPhone 4S.
Pebbo is a very tough case. It covers your entire iPhone completely. It is very solid on the outside, and the soft materials inside fit your iPhone precisely. Pebbo provides much better protection than any ordinary cases. In addition, what's special about the Pebbo is that it is weatherproof. Providing that you install your phone correctly into the Pebbo, it can protect your iPhone from water splash, dust, sand, snow, etc. Comparing to other weatherproof products, Pebbo provides you full access to all of your iPhone's controls. All the buttons on the iPhone functions perfectly with the Pebbo, and the Magic Gloss cover gives you sensitive access to the touchscreen. You can dial and answer calls,
Capdase Xplorer Weatherproof case.
browse internet, play music and movie, just about anything you would do with your iPhone. And of course, it is designed for you to take great photos with your iPhone as well. The bike and motorcycle set of Pebbo includes a bike and motorcycle mount, which mounts the Pebbo onto your handlebar. This is extremely useful when you are using your GPS riding around, even if it rains. You gotta be prepared for the elements.
Pebbo is a great tool for outdoor activities. It is tough, it is weatherproof. With Pebbo, you can go hiking, fishing, playing on the beach without worrying your iPhone getting wet or getting dirty. Even under rain shower, Pebbo is all you need to protect your iPhone.
Capdase, www.capdase.com